Project Northumberland, the Defender 110 soft top, is an icon stripped back to its purest form and rebuilt for the road ahead. Finished in cool khaki grey, wrapped in gloss, it carries an effortless West Coast confidence. A sand canvas soft top stretches over a body colour roll cage, while black Ceradoc alloys and BFG all-terrains anchor it with quiet aggression. Hella black magic LEDs line the frontal cage. Zunsport mesh, NAS rear bumper, tubular nudge bar, a lifestyle vehicle with purpose. Under the hood, an LT1 E ROD pairs with a 10-speed transmission, smooth, responsive, and ready for highway stretches or coastal switchbacks. Alcon brakes, Koni adjustable shocks, and E.C.D road suspension keep it feeling like a modern drive, but with power on another level. Step inside and the tone shifts from rugged to detailed craftsmanship. Sand leather throughout, classic styled Sheelman seating in a CNC horizontal honeycomb stitch, heated up front, tailored across all 3 rows. A Puma dash wrapped in matching leather. Momo Prototipo steering wheel, black accents, clean lines. It's open-air freedom with everyday usability. Classic form with contemporary function. Project Northumberland was built for a new coast, a new era, and a driver who expects both heritage and horsepower.